Transform your cooking in 2025 with the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's the ultimate kitchen hero. This incredible 9-in-1 appliance replaces your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, saving you precious counter space. With 15 customizable smart programs from poultry to sous vide, perfect meals are just a button press away, making gourmet cooking truly effortless. Its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking, and is super easy to clean, unlike non-stick alternatives. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and intuitive display, giving you peace of mind with every dish. Whether you're a busy parent or a culinary enthusiast, this Instant Pot simplifies complex recipes and delivers consistent, delicious results every time. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance for versatility and performance, this is absolutely worth the investment. Check the description below for the direct Amazon link and today's best price. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen experience. Click that link and get your Instant Pot Duo Plus now. For a smarter, faster, and healthier cooking journey, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is undoubtedly the best kitchen essential of 2025.